So hey guys, Motorola is back in the game and has finally released the much anticipated Moto X40, which will be known as the Edge 40 Pro globally. I must say that Motorola has done an excellent job here. The smartphone looks premium and the pricing is also surprising. Now we will look at the top features of the Moto X40 to help you to decide whether or not to buy this. Let me tell you that this is the same phone that will be released internationally as the Moto Edge 40 Pro. So the first feature is the refresh rate. See, the majority of the mainstream Android phone manufacturers are still using the old 120Hz refresh rate standard. Motorola was the first company to introduce a 144Hz refresh rate in the smartphone industry, and it was widely used in the Edge 30 series in recent years. Now once again, Motorola has taken things to the next level. Yes, the Moto X40 has amazing 165Hz display refresh rate, features that are only surpassed by gaming beasts like the Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro, guaranteeing one of the most fluid gaming experience available on any mobile device. To enjoy this experience, Motorola has provided a beautiful display which I personally liked. The phone has a 4-side curved display that feels premium in hand. The display is a 6.7 inches OLED with a pixel count of 2400 by 1080. The undoubtedly beautiful panel promises to be incredibly bright and accurate in showing no less than a billion colors. Now the main key feature is the CPU of the phone. As we all know, naturally, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC is anticipated to be used on Samsung's entire Galaxy S23 family around the world. This is an even bigger selling point for the Moto X40 than its skilly smooth and ultra colorful screen. The 8 Gen 2 apparently improves on its predecessor's CPU and GPU speed by 35% and 25% respectively. Efficiency is also massively improved, which means a phone's battery life might increase without the cell capacity actually increasing. That's most probably why the X40 only has a 4600 mAh battery, which is smaller than some of the 2022's best phones. With 125W fast charging, it's difficult not to see the X40 as an overall heavyweight contender for the title of the best 2023 smartphone. In addition to the pixel war, Motorola is refusing to compete in the megapixel war with the Samsung and Xiaomi, settling for a 50MP main camera, a 50MP secondary camera and a 12MP territory sensor on the back of the Moto X40. However, we must wait to see the camera samples in person to verify the actual image quality. Other important features are now around the front a 60MP single selfie lens, an IP68 water and dust resistant glass body, 50W wireless charging capability and up to 12GB of RAM along with 512GB of internal storage space. The main point here is the phone's price. In terms of specs and features, I believe Motorola has set the best pricing for this phone. These are the prices of the Motorola Moto X40 in the different variants. Please keep in mind that these prices may change depending on your region and taxes. The phone is also available in black and blue. So what do you think about this Motorola Moto X40? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.